Crescent measuring wheel is a popular brand of measuring wheels. Measuring wheels are instruments used to measure distance by rolling the wheel along a flat surface and recording the distance traveled on a counter. They are particularly useful for measuring long distances or uneven surfaces that would be difficult to measure with a traditional tape measure. Folding measuring wheels. These have a folding joint that allows for compact storage. Crescent Lufkin measuring wheels are available in a variety of sizes, typically ranging from 4 inches to 12 inches in diameter. They also come in both SAE and metric units. Fischer Duotec is a heavy-duty gravity toggle for panel building materials. It is a 2-component nylon plug that works similarly to an expansion plug in solid building materials. This makes it suitable for high loads in all drywall installations. High load capacity. The Duotec is suitable for high tensile and transverse loads, making it ideal for mounting heavy objects such as TVs, wall cabinets, lamps, and shelves. Easy installation. The Duotec features a small drill hole diameter and a short toggle element, making it easy to install even in narrow and insulated cavities. The plug also doesn't fall into the drill hole, even without a screw, making pre-installation easier. Versatile. The Duotec. IRWIN folding 1-inch woodworking chisel is a handy tool for any woodworker. It features a 1-inch, 25 mm, wide blade that folds into the handle for safe and compact storage. This makes it a great option for tool belts or tool bags. Folding blade for safe and compact storage. TOLSEN 4V cordless screwdriver is a lightweight and compact screwdriver that is perfect for a variety of household tasks. It is available in 2 versions, a 3.6V lithium-ion battery version and a 4.8V nickel-cadmium battery version. Compact and lightweight design for easy handling. Forward and reverse function for driving and removing screws. Magnetic bit holder for easy attachment and removal of bits. Raizi Stone/Granite Profile Router Machine is an electric handheld tool designed for shaping and profiling the edges and countertops of stone materials, including granite, marble, and concrete. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as creating decorative edges on countertops, bullnosing edges, beveling edges, polishing edges. The Raizi Stone/Granite Profile Router Machine is a wet application tool. It features a water delivery system that helps to cool the diamond cutting. Rapid XP30 is a setting tool designed for use with hollow wall anchors, specifically Rapid's own range of M4 to M6 anchors for plasterboard, drywall and other board building materials. The flush-fitting design. The XP30 sits flush with the wall, creating a solid and stable base on which to apply pressure and expand the plug. This helps to ensure that the plug is fitted correctly and reduces the risk of damage to the wall. Non-slip rubber surface. The XP30 has a non-slip rubber surface which provides increased grip and stability during use. Strong aluminium housing. The XP30 is built with a strong Enerpac hydraulic pumps SC series. Are cordless hydraulic battery-powered pumps designed for portability and precision. They are ideal for working in confined spaces or on remote job sites where there is no access to electricity or compressed air. Compact and lightweight. Weighing just around 20 pounds, 9.2 kilograms, the SC series pumps are easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. High-performance brushless motor. The brushless motor provides high flow rates for increased productivity and a longer lifespan compared to brushed motors. Extended battery runtime. The SC series pumps use Enerpac's 54V lithium-ion battery system, which can provide enough power to complete many tasks. WUTA ProLeather cutting machine is a manual die cutting machine designed for cutting leather and other materials. It's a good option for crafters and hobbyists who need to cut out precise shapes from leather for projects such as wallets, belts, bags, and other leather goods. Small. This machine has a working area of 38 centimeters x 20 centimeters, 15 inches by 8 inches, and is suitable. Enerpac battery torque wrench does not currently manufacture a battery-powered torque wrench itself. However, they do offer two separate cordless hydraulic systems that can be used to power hydraulic torque wrenches. XC Series cordless torque wrench pumps. These are cordless hydraulic pumps that are ideal for maintenance applications in various industries, including power generation, oil and gas, and MRO. They are a good choice for working in remote locations or places without access to electricity or where trip hazards are a concern. ENAR VIB-BAR E-BATT is a lightweight, highly portable, and highly efficient battery-powered handheld concrete vibrator that provides users with the unrestricted freedom of movement to and around the job site unencumbered cords and hoses, battery-powered. Eliminates the need for cumbersome power cords or generators, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use, even in confined spaces or poorly ventilated areas. Lightweight and portable. Weighs only 28 pounds, 12.7 kilograms, and is easy to maneuver.